morning's Bank of Canada interest rate announcement was one of the most anticipated in recent memory. Join me as we dive a little bit deeper into the analysis of the decision. Why was today's announcement so interesting? Well, on the one side, we have this story of inflation. It is significant year-over-year inflation that we are experiencing here in Canada and globally. And on the other side, we have a recovering economy that's doing okay, but it certainly is in recovery mode and hasn't reached full capacity. So to deal with inflation, which is very worrisome, traditionally banks would have to raise interest rates to make money more expensive to get that inflation back in line with their 2% target. But the problem is, if the bank does that too soon, they risk stalling the recovery that we have. And today's Bank of Canada announcement really was measured and appropriate for the tightrope that they're walking. They're acknowledging that the economy is doing well and inflation is something that they have their eye on. And in fact, they have announced of significance the ending of the quantitative easing program, which is their stimulus to the bond market, which is going to keep fixed rate mortgages down. On the other side, they've also announced that they're going to keep an eye on the economy. They projected that things will start to come back down to normal levels in 2022. And they have put a note in their announcement that they expect somewhere in the middle of 2022, if things continue as they are, they may have to raise the prime rate at that time. So it really widely met expectations of pundits and observers. Ultimately, what does today's announcement mean to you? Well, it means that things are going to be status quo for a while. Fixed rate mortgages have kind of been taking off in anticipation of future increases. And so we've seen a jump of about 50 basis points to fixed rate mortgages recently. On the other side, variable rate mortgages remain very low and very attractive. And given the uncertainty about the magnitude of any changes in the future, variable's looking like a good option. If you have any questions, concerns about how today's announcement affects you personally, I invite you to get in touch. There's a link to my calendar below, or feel free to pick up the phone and call me the old-fashioned way. My name's Chris Mulder, Toronto Mortgage Broker. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.